the battery status at 2 p.m. on my Nexus 5.
And you did the visualization?
No, this tool is actually you use a Python script to
build up
convert the bug report into an HTML, which will show you all the visualizations.
And where do you get the historian?
Get it from GitHub.
Well, one month. So they're attached now.
Yeah, I'm trying.
What?
Because they have a hosting project that bypasses the firewall.
What's under attack?
But I worked out the settings.
Okay. Thank you.
Event category not found. Zero.
Let's see the one that's already there.
Yellow. Go, man, that's it.
Okay, so what's this? How do we see?
Okay, so this is your back level, and you can see in it's 52 at 1 p.m. Then you can see
2 things.
10 pages. But after 1 minute, you can see your battery level. Then from this, you will see in the, if your battery level is going down and fast, there is a problem. Yeah, you're doing something that's consumed, that is consuming the battery. Okay, but here you can see the time.
It's a second or
Minutes. And here is when you plug in your mobile.
Charger.
Yes. For charging. But you can see in here it's 52. بعدين 8 seconds. So it's usually a bug report. It's more of a log of everything that's happening. Yes, yes. We only took the battery from it. This.
Can you open up the file?
This one. Which file?
The bug.txt. What else is that anyway?
Huh?
What else is that?
That's what.
The kitchen.
Oh, okay, yes.
يعني لا تشوف سكرول.
Oh. This is your actual log. This is your actual.
So you can get for each application status of the device.
How to specify an application?
Command. You add the package. This is the package with pair types.
Okay.
Bank of terminal. It will return the
For AD.
For that,
yes. Without
So you're telling ADP I'm only interested in.
Filter the log for this.
Okay. Yes. And here we have the apps.
You can find out your email address. is a.
But this app is Google quick search box. It's taking.
It's always running.
It's always running. Yeah. It's taking on the bathroom. So,
This is the main thing that makes.
but then you have multiple times.
It's just like fun.
Cut. 17 seconds.
So for 17 seconds it took the battery, or it was on for 17?
It was on for 17 seconds. And then you can check with other tables, with other rows, and see like if there is a problem because of this app. But if you can, like, you can see the pattern. Our app is checking every minute. This is a problem, and we need to fix it.
Minute, right? Checking every minute.
Yes, that's why I did this talk. So learn how to use this, but then I'll apply it to the app.
These are the ones that are consuming the battery the most, or the ones that are running on that time? For example, if it's something that doesn't,
On that time,
so all applications.
I think so. Yes. So you will conclude from this graph and what is consuming the battery. And for example,
But how much is consumed?
if you see the screen is off, but this app is working, and if you see your battery is dying and it's going like crazy, so this is an issue. I'm not using the app. I'm not doing anything, but the battery is going down.
How do you know the battery?
You see the level of the battery. Me, because it's like it's charging.
The blue is when it's charging, right?
No, the blue is it's changing.
It's changing.
Yes.
Okay.
And here it's 71. And here it's 70
Because
it's
you're charging.
charging. That's true.
Okay, I got it. 63.
63 we need 64.
This is
And then 62. But shoot, the time is like less than a minute.
Second.
exactly 1 second.
بعدين هي after like كم second.
3 seconds. I got it. So the distance between the gaps is what you need to.
And then if you
The
saw,
gap is, yeah.
if you saw a blue line in fog like this,
That's lost. Something's killing the battery.
I think if you
Ah,
see
so-
there is a gap, big gap because it's charging. So if you have big gap, it means the charging time is very slow because of the usage of the battery.
It makes sense. So the gaps are less, I mean, together, not far away from each other. It means, and without charging, it means that it's consuming.
yes.
If it decreases,
Yeah.
and if it increases very slow, means and another period is repeated. Regular means at this period there's something because it's
While charging.
while charging.
فمثلا you can see here the dialer is taking is working أصلاً when the screen is off. So why is that?
So there's an issue with the operating. I mean,
The apps. And something is working in the background.
this is from this app is from Google.
They did this tool to help them fix their apps. Also. And here the Instagram, 1 minute.
6 seconds. And the screen was on.
Yes. So if Instagram is working and the screen is off,
Background fetch.
there is something in the background. I think they don't have. Or maybe if you're uploading and get out from the app. And then you have the sync. The sync is the syncing in the background. Your emails, these are multiple syncs at the same time. So this is your email. بعدين هني في ايميل my other email.
It's when Google Mail is.
بالضبط. هذا other email وهذا other email.
So, Abdullah, the top
This is another email.
here, when it says sync, and it's the top is when the application is running.
What?
The top.
The red one, yes.
Yes,
Yes.
the red one.
Top the application.
فشوف هذا مثلا
The top might be highest consumer battery.
sync is taking too much time وهذا email.
Can you know how much is for every for the sync, for this sync, how much is consuming, other than going and checking the battery?
From the top?
Right?
I don't know.
And the only way is to do it to go and check.
You want to check this program.
And then-
this amount. No, it's
The wake clock.
because
There's something in Android when you want the apps to be awake and you want to do مثلا a radio app. You want the sound to be playing while your phone is the screen is on.
you can check it.
So you use a wake clock. حتى if you want to connect to the مثلا network and download stuff, so you need to lock on the network, and then you can consume, but then you release. These are all the wake clocks. You can see which app is using. But then this is WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp. But then there's wait time. It's using Juf. This is we have the broadcast receiver, which is basically checking, or not checking, every minute a service. We are using an alarm manager. But then every minute, this receiver manager gets receive the broadcast. But then it will see if it's like Iran or Iqama or Islam, but then it will turn on, it will start the service. Then the Adhan will turn on. I forgot what is running. Because today I'm searching Google. This is the wake reason. So wake clock in. NFC service, wake clock, screen, and apps, plus, syncing. And then with mobile radio. So at 5
I called you.
so my call means
Which one?
and then in data connection because same internet on me. So I don't have that. That's the Wi-Fi is always on because I'm using Wi-Fi at home.
6 hours, 30 minutes.
With Wi-Fi scan, it's when it's scanning. Signal, phone signal.
Called you 6 hours and 13 minutes. It's recording you.
Maybe.
Shunan, what's the style of YouTube? Music, anyway.
It's recording us. Oh, it's recording.
Suddenly everything to Uncle Google.
You know why? Because the Google Now is on.
Yeah.
That's why it grabs the microphone. So as long as you have the Google Now launcher, audio will always be on.
Okay, Google, shut down.
And this is the encode, phone encode. So we talked at 5, right? So we just sleep. So 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
This one actually.
And then,
And then 4. And then now. Just now before.
yeah. This is Wi-Fi. Video. The job is, and you think they did the job scheduler. So the job scheduler will solve my problem in quick price times. That I'm checking every minute and starting the services, which so
What you're going to do with this problem? How are you doing so?
I'll show you now. So these are the jobs that are executed by the job scheduler. The job scheduler. If you want to schedule things before the job scheduler, we used to use handlers or alarm managers. But the problem is when you turn off your mobile, everything will go. So you
mean turn off, switch off?
Switch off or like kill the app. The alarm will go. So the app needs to check again and add the alarm.
All right.
Okay. With the job scheduler, they added some models. The ideal model or network activity aware. So basically, you can tell the job scheduler that if the mobile is idle, then start my service. I'll do something.
Or after 1 hour, do something.
Yes. Oh, the network activity aware. Instead of you checking if there's a connection, it automatically will check. But then you can get the information without checking.
For example, as an example, I have an application, and then there is a login, username and password, okay, on the service. I log in. Then I want to tell the application if there is no activity within, say, 1 hour.
Activity or not?
Activity or
On the app?
on the app. Yeah, on the app.
No.
Can I do this?
No. You can check the state.
Log out from the application. Log me out. Say, for example.
Yeah, you can do that, but it's not the job.
It's not related to this.
You can check if he logged out, but then you can set or schedule a job after you check.
So I would use the alarm.
No. When he logged out, he would press a button.
Okay.
Okay, so
That's before he logged in. Now, say, for example, Instagram. I'm logged in Instagram. Okay. Say if I cannot check images, if I didn't do anything, no activity done.
Okay.
Application. Okay. It would log me out of Instagram. For instance.
This is not the job of the job schedule. If you want to quit prayer times, I'm checking if the time is if now is the praying time, is the prayer time, start a service. Okay? So what I can do, I can set the job scheduler at 12 p.m. 12 a.m. Okay? At night. So maybe 80% you're not using your mobile, right? Because you're sleeping. You should be sleeping. Then I'll start my service and schedule 5 jobs for each prayer on that time.
Okay.
On that day. On that day, 5 jobs. That day, it will automatically, the system will automatically execute the jobs, and the adhan will.
Before, what you
Now?
used to do it now?
Now I'm checking every minute because I want it exactly on the time. يعني مثلا if Asr prayer is at 3, so I want at 3 the time the adhan should, the sound should fire.
Okay.
Okay? And if I kept it not checking every minute, then it will be delayed, not all the time.
Why forget?
Okay. Then you can specify scheduling constraints, time, and if the mobile is charging, or if there's a connection, then the job will be executed. There are 3 components: the job service, and the job information, and the job scheduler itself. So you do a job schedule, you create a job info, and you add the job service to it. The job service is the endpoint where your code will be. And then you add constraints to the job info. And at the time, or if it's charging, if the mobile is charging, or if there is a connection. And then you start the job. It will be added to the job scheduler. Plus, when the constraint is met, it will be run. And the jobs service, you only implement 2 methods. One is on-start job and on-stop job. But then, if you started your job and you're done, you can call job finished, and it will automatically no. It will automatically turn off. You can reschedule in on-start or on-stop if something happened. If failure happened, you can reschedule in the job schedule. For now, with the demo. This is the code. The code of the job schedule. Demo. It's not faces and sad faces.
لا بس كيف نلعبها؟ بالإديتر منيح عبد الله. ارجع للشاشة ترى.
عبد الرحمن بالك يطيح تليفونك.
So this is the ID, the endpoint where the job will be executed. Then, بعدين this is the job service.
Okay.
Okay. بعدين I'll show you the app in a minute. There's a button that will schedule the job, and you add constraints. بعدين we will see the job executed. We will print this in the job ID. So let me run the app. So this is the app. زين. You can choose connectivity. But then you can set a time for the job to execute. But then you can choose like if it's charging or if it's idle. Yeah. So I choose any connection. But then I'll put the time, the delay 5 seconds. The deadline is مثلا 20 seconds.
Okay.
The deadline will, if the schedule, if the job is not executed within that time, خلاص, it will not be executed.
ما في risk.
That you can reschedule, but you can put a deadline.
Okay.
فالحين احنا we added 20 seconds deadline. Then I'll choose if the mobile is charging. But then I'll do schedule. After 5 seconds or more, see, الحين the job has started. I can start another job, but I'll add 1 second. The delay is 1 second. فعلى طول it will show. You can cancel the jobs. You cancel all the jobs. All the jobs cancel. I'll cancel them. Thank you very much.
I think around it.
Who's next? يلا come on. You're the chosen.